Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Discover the ultimate solution for spotless tiles and bathrooms. Best steam cleaners for cleaning grout provide powerful, chemical-free cleaning that removes dirt, mold, and stains effortlessly. Transform your floors and tiles into sparkling, hygienic surfaces with ease and efficiency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner offers an exceptional chemical-free cleaning experience for homes, delivering superheated steam of the 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 135 degrees Celsius that easily lifts dirt, grease, and grime from various surfaces. Its versatile 17-piece accessory kit makes it ideal for tackling floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, upholstery, walls, and especially grout, allowing homeowners to clean and sanitize without harsh chemicals. The lightweight and compact design ensures effortless maneuverability, making it perfect for tight corners and hard-to-reach areas, while the sleek profile adds convenience for storage. A significant advantage is the large water tank capacity, providing up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, which reduces the need for frequent refills during extended cleaning sessions. Overall, this steam cleaner balances efficiency and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a thorough, eco-friendly, and versatile cleaning solution that handles a wide variety of surfaces with minimal effort. Number 2. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner stands out as a professional-grade solution for chemical-free deep cleaning. With its hot, pressurized steam, it effectively removes grease, grime, and stains from surfaces like tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, and vehicles. Its 64-ounce water tank heats in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of steam, giving users ample time for thorough cleaning sessions without interruption. Particularly beneficial for grout cleaning, the high-pressure steam penetrates deeply into cracks and crevices, lifting stubborn dirt without scrubbing or chemicals. The intuitive design and on-demand variable steam control, including a steam lock feature, offer precision and continuous performance for extended cleaning sessions. Ideal for homes and vehicles alike, the MC1385 combines versatility, power, and convenience, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly steam cleaning solution. Number 3. Wagner Spraytech 915E On-Demand Steam Cleaner. The Wagner Spraytech 915E On-Demand Steam Cleaner is a multi-purpose handheld steamer that delivers chemical-free cleaning across a wide range of surfaces. Capable of heating up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in under 9 minutes, it provides 40 minutes of continuous steam, making it ideal for tackling everyday household cleaning tasks, including floors, carpets, kitchen counters, appliances, and grout. For grout specifically, the Wagner 915E delivers precision and power, using high-temperature steam to lift embedded dirt from between tiles without scrubbing. Its handheld design, combined with fast heat-up and extended runtime, makes it a convenient choice for quick touch-ups or larger cleaning projects. Overall, the Wagner 915E balances portability, performance, and chemical-free cleaning, making it a solid choice for versatile, everyday household maintenance. Number 4. BISSELL Steam Shot Omni Handheld Steam Cleaner. The BISSELL Steam Shot Omni Handheld Steam Cleaner is a compact powerhouse designed to make chemical-free cleaning easy, effective, and satisfying. Ready in just 3 minutes, it unleashes high-pressure steam at over 215 degrees Fahrenheit to blast through tough grime, grease, and stains on a variety of surfaces, including kitchen counters, bathrooms, appliances, and grout. Endorsed by influencers and praised for its effectiveness, the BISSELL Steam Shot is particularly efficient for grout, penetrating deep into narrow gaps to lift stubborn dirt and mildew without chemicals.
Its compact size and user-friendly design make it a practical solution for quick, targeted cleaning or small spaces. Combining portability, high heat, and a range of attachments, the BISSELL Steam Shot Omni is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking an eco-friendly, chemical-free way to maintain spotless, sanitized surfaces.
Number 5. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner delivers a professional-grade cleaning experience for homes, tackling tough messes without harsh chemicals. Equipped with 18 versatile accessories, it easily handles floors, tiles, grout, appliances, grills, and even vehicle interiors. Its 48-ounce water tank heats in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, while the lockable steam trigger allows for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The extra-long 15.7-foot power cord and over 9-foot steam hose extend reach, enabling users to clean hard-to-access areas effortlessly. Overall, the McCulloch MC1275 Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner balances power, convenience, and reach, providing an efficient, eco-friendly, and highly effective method for maintaining spotless floors, tiles, and grout throughout the home. When it comes to maintaining sparkling, hygienic surfaces, these top steam cleaners excel at chemical-free deep cleaning. From grout and tiles to appliances and upholstery, each model delivers power, precision, and convenience. With versatile attachments, rapid heat up, and extended steam run times, you can tackle tough messes effortlessly. Choose the one that fits your needs and transform your home into a cleaner, healthier space.